Salut! So yeah, before you watch the full video, please just run to the subscribe button and click on it. Thank you. Here as a pattern illustration on how to make this lovely dress. It's that easy. The good thing about this dress is that no data is required. I have analyzed the design and I didn't see any dots. You can just look at it for yourself. For this illustration, as usual, I used an A4 paper with other tools. Before creating this pattern, you need a foundation dress pattern. You can go ahead and watch this video. Yeah, do me a favor, skip the intro. I look like a journalist. So this is a foundation pattern without that. First, I mark the underbust. My underbust is usually 14 inches. That is where the plunge neck stops. So the V-neck stops at the underbust. From the stop, I connected the point to the waist. So yeah, you see how easy it is. Next, I drew an A line from the waist to the desired length. From the picture, you have to be generous with the A line. You have to go wider. Then I cut. Next, I trace to create the back pattern. Nowadays, I just trace to create my back pattern unless there are a lot of details for the back. I do not even stress myself creating the pattern for my fresh. I just use the front to create the back. I think that's the easy way to go. Okay, but not all patterns anyway. So yeah, I went ahead to trace. Then I just cut to separate the top from the skirt. Now the skirt is a whole different thing. The skirts, I drew slash lines and number them. I like to draw a connecting line on them, like a straight line, so I can align them properly, but this is not the design anyway. So looking at the design, you have to be very generous with the space you leave when you spread. It's a circle skirt. So create a circle and spread until you create a circle. Now the back skirt has more flare, so you have to like spread until you see like a semicircle or even a full circle. Okay, now I don't think it's possible to have a full circle, but yeah, you get what I mean. For the sleeve, all you need is a rectangle, double the size of the armhole to give it that volume and to make the gathers plenty. So yeah, this is basically it.